Hey guys, what's up? It is Christina here. Welcome back to my channel. For those of you guys who are new here, hi, I'm Christina. Today I have for you guys this video on how to look expensive on a budget. This is something that I feel could be super useful, especially since the country is opening up. Hopefully there's no second wave. Times are extremely tough. I have actually been on the job hunt for quite some time now after I graduated back in May, and it's been pretty difficult. So I understand when, you want to look bougie, but you got a budget to stick to. My first tip would have to be to not splurge on expensive sunglasses. Personally, for me, I always either lose my sunglasses or I'm too afraid to wear them out because they're expensive. One place that I like to shop is SOJOS. I don't know if it's pronounced SOJOS. I feel like people, especially in the summertime, when people look at you, they're drawn straight to your face. I mean, for the most part, unless they're disgusting perverts out there. This pair is about 20 bucks, I would like to say. I will put the full prices right here on the screen, but these are these beautiful octagon ones. So what I also like to do is to get sunglasses that are a different shape, that are kind of not your norm, and because when they look this clean and neat but crisp and nice, I feel like they look super expensive and you can trick people. The next pair are these cat eye ones. I wouldn't really wear it with this type of outfit. I would wear it with more of like a darker, maybe like workout looking outfit kind of. Here is just a sneak peek of how I styled them in this video later on. I love the cat eye flare up here. I feel like it helps to lift the eyes. They're actually a really great affordable glasses company and they have such a wide variety. This video is not sponsored. They actually sent me these items for free, so, whatever, but I will be getting a small commission from any of the sales that I generate from this video, but I will be donating that all to a Black Lives Matter cause that I deem fit, just because I know it's always changing and some places actually have too many donations and they don't really have a need for them. So by the time I research all of that, I will put that down below as to where I will be donating the commission that I make off of these sunglasses. So if you want to help a cause and get some cute sunglasses, why not? And what's really nice is that every single pair, at least that I've got, comes with like a case similar to this, which is clear, and then a pouch that you can bring around. I guess if you don't want to bring the case, it's totally up to you. And then a little screwdriver pack so that you can tighten up your sunglasses. These actually my mom keeps on wearing, so whatever, but these are actually a little bit heavier. They have a really cute shape as well. This is just what they look like. I let her have these just because they're just more of her style and she wears them more and she just likes them. She actually, when they came in the mail, it came through Amazon, and she was just like, "I look at these sunglasses I got." I was like, "Oh, that's so weird. I was supposed to get a pair of sunglasses from this company. Like, what are you talking about? That's so cool." And she was like, "Don't they look so designer?" And she is like a designer junkie. She just loves everything designer. The only telling thing I feel on sunglasses is probably like this symbol or the name. But also, I feel like if you get like fake sunglasses, sometimes that can kind of backfire because it blatantly looks fake, and if it, a letter or something's off, it's kind of blaring in your face. And then these last pairs, I wasn't going to mention these, but they did send them to me, so I was like, why not? But I do wear these not when I'm all bougie and crazy looking. I like to wear these just when I'm editing. Personally, for me, this really helps because when I am editing, my eyes get really tired and dry and honestly sore from staring at a screen, so the blue light glasses help to counteract that with like sort of like an orangey tint that you really can't tell. So my next tip would be to play with different materials. This here was actually super affordable from Fashion Nova, but I just like this. I just thought it was super cool. It was super affordable, or it could look either super tacky depending on your opinion. So I shopped on Nasty Gal recently, and that's also where I got some of these clothes from, and honestly I love it. I mean, playing around with different materials can really step up your outfit and make it look a little bit more expensive. So this is basically what it looks like. I thought this was like the perfect hairstyle for it. I was actually getting undressed and ready to, edit this video, but then I was like, wait a minute. Oh, okay, I got a little Kim K going on in the back. But yeah, and then I have these white shoes. This is just what it looks like. So I definitely think that playing around with the materials that you have, I even feel like white looks really expensive just because it's so clean, but you also have to worry about, making sure it stays clean. So this is also another look. This is probably my favorite look that I have, and I might want to have a photo shoot with it. The next thing that I see that I don't actually have, but I will show examples of what I'm talking about, is when people wear blazers or leather jackets with sweatpants and like a t-shirt, and then they dress it up with gold jewelry. I think that aesthetic is so cute, and you can totally get items like that from super affordable stores. I know Fruit of the Loom actually makes the Pretty Little Things sweatpants, ones that I own. And then if you're feeling a little bit more bougie, even adding a heel can be super cute. So that's also a tip for me. My next tip would have to be to dress in a more monochromatic way. Like I said, this is from a fast fashion brand, but I am trying to turn around and not purchase from there. You can definitely find pieces from like even Target. So this is the outfit that I was talking about as far as being monochromatic. Yes, I know I have a quarantine belly, but whatever. You know what I mean. This is kind of like the gist of what I'm talking about, aside from the little stomach. We should honestly be normalizing this little pouch area just because like it's so normal and kind of inevitable. But yeah, so I felt like these sunglasses actually match this outfit really well. I know Nasty Gal actually has so many more cuter, more better materials than like Fashion Nova, to be honest, but also, you know, a different price point sometimes depending. I feel like these sunglasses just really step up an outfit. I'm hiding from the paparazzi. No? Okay. Homegirl needs some shapewear. So definitely Target is one of my favorite places to find affordable loungewear. They have such a cute selection, and I feel like they're really getting with the times. So you can definitely find a monochromatic piece there. My tip is when you are shopping for clothing that may be black or black dyed, I would definitely recommend looking at it in the light, because one of my pet peeves is seeing black on black, but they're not the same tone. Some of them have more green tones, blue tones. There is a difference sometimes. One may not be as dark. So definitely just keep that in mind. I feel like when they really match is when you really can see that it's, you know, oh, that's expensive, and then, you know, it may not be. My last tip would definitely be to get press-on nails. I know Amazon actually sells these really great kits that come with all different nail length sizes that you can just glue onto your nail and then file down and paint over, especially for someone who wants to keep on changing their nail color and you just can't really settle on one color. That really helps because you can just take some nail polish remover, wipe it off, and then replace it. I like to do the gel Fantasy High Volume nails. These are by Kiss. They're size long. They're actually super cool, and they do have the ballerina slipper type shape. What I did for my nails here, I don't know why I didn't apply them before I was filming this video. I really did like them. What they come with are these little like tape type looking things, and they fit to your nail, and you peel them off and then you stick them onto your nail. You can see kind of like here, it's like a little, oh, maybe you can't see anything because I'm so bad at this job. It also comes with glue, so you can do that if you want them to last maybe a little bit longer, but the tape is nice, and it's also painless. If you make a mistake, you can just take it right off. But these are actually kind of sturdy, to be honest, and I like that they're matte. They have like a matte finish. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I love you guys so much, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on your notification bell for more videos. Just keep on following me, and you can get more content on my Instagram at Christina Rose Petruzzi. Have an amazing day, and remember to just be nice and love everybody, and that is all. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.